Dear friends, in this video I am explaining an easy method to solve one of the most complicated problem in capacitors, that is to find equivalent capacitance of an unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. It will save you plenty of time in exam without any doubt about the accuracy of the result. No approximation. You will get the exact result. So let us consider a problem. We can give them value of our choice 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these in microfarads. So what we will do to find equivalent? No logic, simply we are doing some calculations. 2 plus 5, हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. 2 plus 5, that is 7. Now we consider these 3, 6, 4 and multiply 2 at a time and add them up. 3 into 6, 18 plus 12 plus 24. Now we will multiply these two, 2 and 5, that is 10, and add them up. 3 plus 4, that is 7. So your numerator part is complete. Now in the denominator, what you will do? 2, 5, 3, 4, you will add them up. 2 plus 5, 7, 4, 11, 3, 14, you will get 14 here. You will multiply the central one here, 6. Now you will ignore this central one. You have got 2, 5, 3, 4. You will not treat this multiply 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Rest you will multiply 2 at a time. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 4, 8. 5 into 3, 15. As answer you get here. 7 into 24 plus 12. That is 36 plus 8, 54 plus 70 divided by 84. This comes to us 45. So this is 378 plus 70. 448 upon 129 microfarad if all these in microfarads. I consider another example, another easy example, which you can find out very easily applying any of your formula. For example, KVL or star and delta method. I take this as 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1, and take this as 6. You will find its answer as, by applying any other formula, 22 by 15 microfarad if these are in microfarad, and applying this formula which we have used earlier. What we will do? This is 1 plus 2, 3. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 2 plus 6, that is 20. We will multiply these two. This is 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. Divided by numerator में we will add them up. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is 6. Multiply it with the central one. We will multiply these two. 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 1. This is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, that is 9. It will come as 9. So here 66 upon 45. So you saw here that you get exactly the same result. So in general, what we may say that what the formula becomes, you must remember this without any confusion. These are the exact answers, no approximation. This is A, B, C, D, E. So I am writing here general formula which I have derived here, that is A plus B, and you will multiply these C. This is E. CDE, that means CD plus DE plus EC plus, you will multiply these two, AB into C plus D, and in the denominator what you will do, A plus B plus C plus D and multiply this addition with the central one, that is E. I should correct this as E, plus AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So using this formula you will get the exact answer. So friends, you may use this formula. You may also use this formula for resistors as well. So thanks a lot.